Welcome to week 25 of Guess That Object. Extra hint for week 24, it's red. Honestly. Okay, one more hint. Not Chewbacca. Sorry about that. What the heck? Gosh darn it. Who was on my computer again? This wasn't. I was using Norton. What the heck even is this? I need to stab somebody. Anyway, let's close out of that and then delete it later and actually get my normal stuff back. Norton is not a virus. People are just, it's propaganda. Well, it's not propaganda. It's the people getting crazy over like stuff that antivirus software has to do anyway. Anyway, week 23 was... Oh yeah, 23 was a can of Sprite. Anywho, okay, so I'm on week 25. Good. Week 25. It's gonna be kind of hard. Oh snap! I can't stop here because that's gonna be hard for me to remember if I stop recording some of these now. Yeah. But yeah. This is just, yeah. Anyway, week 25 of Guess That Object.